This question comes from New York State testing sampler number 3, computer-based testing. It's question number 4, linear equations and slopes. And this is from the 8th grade test. So I'm going to pull in on this one and we'll see that they're talking about linear functions. So immediately I want to think y equals mx plus b, where b is my y-intercept and m is my slope. Right away, I'm going to draw a little makeshift graph, and I will say that I know my x-axis is here, my y-axis is here, and I'll choose the color red for this first equation, y equals 1/3 x plus 4. I'll just approximate this on the graph. It has a y-intercept of 4, and it goes down 1 and over 3. I'll connect those points with that red line. And I'll say this would be what that first function looks like, y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. I'll just make a note, this is that y-intercept 4. Okay, now I'm going to pick a different color for function p. It says it's a linear function with a y-intercept of 5. So all I know about that function is it's y equals some slope plus a y-intercept of 5. So I'm just going to plot its starting point, and I'll say, oh, that's a 5. Now, at this time, I don't know. This function could go up. It could go down. We don't know what would happen with this function. So to say choice A, they both have the same slope, we don't know. We just know they have the same y-intercept. To have both functions have a negative slope, we would have to know the slope. We don't know. So we would have to rule this one out. We need to understand what the y-intercept is to answer this. So let's identify that ordered pair for this one. I'll put it right here. That ordered pair, we have a y-intercept of 4, which really means that's the point 0, 4. That means your x is 0, or your input is 0, and your output is 4. And then this one would be your input of 0 and your output of 5. That will help us now. So the functions will have the same input when y is 0. Well, we don't actually know about what they look like because y being 0 is down here on the x-axis. So I don't think we can be certain about that. But let's just check the last one. The functions will have different outputs when x is 0. Well, x is 0 here, and the output y is 4. X is 0 here, and the output y is 5. So I'm going to say that looks like it's pretty true. They have different outputs when x is 0. So we were right to rule out function choice C. So our answer is D.